to LifeEat. This will be the first video of how you're using the system. When you get to the login picture, you can see on the top left corner 4 flags. You have Spanish, you have German, you have English and Danish, and we choose English. The first thing you have to do is to input your email address, and if you've did it before, you can choose it from the list. And then your password. And you press login. And again, if you have chosen the wrong language, you pick it from the flags. So in a way, you have 2 chances to get the right language. And here you see the first buttons. If I scroll up and down, you see all the possibilities you have in the system, and we will go through the first buttons here. The first button is showing your calories you have to eat as a minimum per day, which is based on the parameters and data you inserted based on yourself, like height, weight, your goal weight, your diagnosis, your allergies, and so forth. And the system will calculate a minimum theoretical calorie need per day. The next button is a meal plan generated especially for you. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, and it's also based on your data. The same goes for training plan. Insert meals is to register the food you actually are eating, consuming during the day. But let's go through the first number, calories you have to eat per day. This is based on the following parameter. If you go to the small M button on the top left corner, it stands for menu, and you go to settings. In here is all the data which is personally attached to you. And we go to others. When you press others, you have to insert training intensity. And training intensity for myself is moderately active. But if we start with lightly active, that is like walking like 3-4 times per week. Moderately active is like either walking every single day or going to the gym like 3 times per week. Very active is like walking every day and going to the gym 3 times per week, or going to the gym 5 times per week or more, or playing, for example, handball 3 times per week. Extra active is more extreme. And I choose moderately active. The next thing is what kind of sport you are attending. And I'm attending bodybuilding, weight training, but here you have a long list of different sports you can attend. How many times per week? I'm trying to go 4 times per week, and all my plans are based on 9 weeks plan. So 9 weeks ahead I want to plan. And I press save. When I press save, I will get a receipt that it's saved, and I go back and I press close. And now I have the correct number, but it will remember it for next time. On top of all this, you see some small question marks all the way down, and those are help. And when you press one of those, you will get a help text plus a help video. And that I will take in the next video. So sign up to the system and try the system for yourself. Thank you very much.